Hey guys, gals, children, what's up?
Yeah, back to the den. The den. You can see here I'm melting down the lead. That's a big chunk of lead there. Here's another piece of bismuth and a couple tiny little midgets of, no offense, of bismuth there. You can see it doesn't melt right away like the lead does once you get on it. You kind of got to melt into it. Then another piece of lead here. Just to make it, it's going to be a 50-50 mix. I don't know why that, I just didn't like, I know I've done 60-40, and I thought that was my combo. I was going to try even a little further in 60-40, but maybe I was a tad just too far, and just because I don't trust it, and just maybe possibly just on the safe side, I guess you could say. We'll make it safe side. We'll call it that. Just get this cooking. Once you, like I say, once you get it going, it just melts right down through, like, honestly, like butter almost. You just got to get the big hunks, get them nice and warmed up. Here's a big chunk that was in there. It looks like this was a bunch of dirt and stuff. And then copper, small pieces of copper, like copper wire, little braid wire or something. Let's try this again. I'm gonna need more pitch. I wonder how I can pitch that a little better. Get some air up in here. Still a little chilly out to be opening this. But you gotta do what you gotta do.
Hey now. Alright, it's melted, I'll let you know.